shit, yo. What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. Let me stop playing. What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keontae back with another video. This video, I'm finna be reacting to types of aux cord users part 2. Somewhere on YouTube, there's a part 1, but I couldn't find it. So we about to go ahead and react to part 2. If y'all find it, send me the link and then we can react to it. We just finna go on and get into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. They're gonna be in the description. We finna get into it. 3, 2, 1.
What is goody? It's your boy Rhino, aka Cinnamon Brown Sugar Pop Tart, and you guys are watching Love Live Sir. If this is
He
your
look
first
like a
time on the
damn
channel,
Pop-Tart.
what's up? How you doing? What's your pet's name? Send Noah and I a DM of your pets watching the video, and we'll respond to you. But yeah, guys, what's up to all the new viewers, all the OG viewers? How you guys
What's
doing
good?
today?
It's my
Like
first
the
time
video,
watching
even
this
if you haven't
nigga.
even watched the video yet, you already know it's gonna be a banger because it's Love Live Sir, and that's all we do. But to the video, you read the title, Types of Aux Cord Users Part 2. This one was highly requested, so I'm not even gonna do the jibber jabber. We're just gonna hop right
Jibber
into it.
jabber.
Types of Aux Cord Users Part 2. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
The guy
Yeah.
that raps louder than a song.
I think that's me.
I did it without an album. This two I'm on fire.
I think that's me, bro.
Little nigga, I'm on fire.
Especially if I fuck with this song.
I'm flying. Hey, the rest of beats to the parking lot. Solid's a nigga, I don't talk a lot. I'll say a word.
Gee, I be overhyped. Look at his friend.
Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished.
Yeah.
When I walked in at the bar, y'all thought it was ready.
The Creep.
What's the creep?
How's it going?
Hi.
So why don't I actually have the aux right now? Let me play something real quick.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Niggas really do this, bro?
You like that?
Tell me you like that.
Change the song? Oh, my fault. Yeah, you're right.
Wow, it's... This nigga funny as hell.
Sorry.
This used to be that shit. Yeah.
like that, don't you?
Maybe like another one, a different one. A different song.
New song?
Yeah.
So sorry about that. I will pick not a song like that. Yeah, sorry about that. It's this on playlist right now. Here we go.
Gee.
I'm gonna.
I was saying if you wanted to, are we gonna bone fish grill or? Oh, you good? Or did you wanna? Timothy.
Okay, so are we gonna drive or what?
Yeah, we are. Here, with dogs, real quick.
Really? Come on.
He his own type of aux cord user. Fuck you,
Okay,
man.
one song.
Fuck you, man.
Fine.
Before I leave it.
Before I put it in, I smack her ass. Pull out my easy to record, turn on the flash.
The block lit, that's if that pussy trash. Hey, that I can't smash. It ain't no bitch that I can't. Yeah. I got used to living fast. Oh.
The racist.
Yo, bro. Thank you so much for driving me to Whole Foods, dude.
No problem, man. Yo, you wanna put on some music?
Frick yeah.
Cool.
Freak yeah. Wiggle.
Huh, nigger.
Gee, what the fuck? Turn this shit off and threw his ass out the car.
The girl that puts on some trash. So I put her on the blue face, and she said that it was weird at
One
first.
song, please. Just one song. You have to have the aux the whole ride.
You want to control the aux now?
One song, please.
I think I had this happen to me before.
Alright, you only get one song.
I just want to know what song she about to play.
Gucci flip flops,
No.
Ah!
Not today.
He said no. Hell no.
Out of the car. No.
Why?
Out of the car.
Wait, why?
Out of the car. You're coming with me. No.
The guy with the messed up speakers.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
The guy with the messed up speakers. Yeah, gee, you can't even hear shit. His shit bogus.
Yeah, there's something wrong with my speaker. This is as loud as it goes.
Yeah.
Gee, you might as well ride in silence. Like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Police trip cover before it got taken down.
Well, Docs,
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I can handle the whole car trip, so.
Okay.
How you get this shit, nigga? How you get this shit?
Oh my god, wait! How'd you get this song? Why didn't you get this song?
Oh no.
They be on that shit, bro. I know people like that. I low key used to be like that. They be on that
What are
shit.
y'all doing? Wait, what are y'all doing? What is happening? What are y'all doing? What are y'all? What?
The
Damn.
guy who's always in his feelings.
No. I never been in the car with nobody that
I'm good. I'm just going through something
was
right
in their feelings on the ox.
Okay, well.
If you with me on the ox, we turn that bitch up. We can't be like nah.
Yeah, come on, man.
Unless we drunk or high or I don't do those. I don't do those.
Thank you. I said upbeat.
Is there a problem?
Hey, this that
The
shit.
guy from the BMV. Damn, this joint got like about to crank. All mothers is about to have y'all geek.
Our mothers.
Little bit. That pressure, nigga.
I'm already. This how they sound though. Like I just. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, sir, here you go. Let's get it. Whoa, all right.
Bitch!
I got home. Calling. Phone. With the motherfucking
Damn. No, I never been in the car with one of them types. I've been hopped out that bitch. Like, I gotta get up out of here. I'll walk. Let me give me an Uber. I'm good. Nah, bro.
The one who plays the fire cover.
You ready for me to heat this car up?
I think this me. This low key me.
Let's get it.
I got a lot of I know a lot of. Not this song. Hell no. Okay, wait. No, I take that back. Erase that. I thought they was talking about something else.
What's this? Stop. What the hell? Whoa. What the hell was that?
Really?
What were you playing?
The baby shark dance?
Why were you playing that?
You just mad.
I got something. That was terrible. I got something. Hold on.
I'm the baby. That's my mommy. That's my daddy.
He like this low key slap. I don't even know this song. What song is this?
Timothy again. All right, Timothy. What you got next?
Oh, again?
Come on, man. The other song was hot, man. All right.
Yeah, come
Last
on.
song, man.
I want to see you buzz in.
Okay, Timothy. Timothy and my nigga. I need Timothy in my car.
I want to see
Hey.
you buzz down, pick it up, now break that
Yeah.
shit down, break it down, speed it up, and slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it down, bust down on the gas.
He getting jiggy in that bitch.
That was corny. We're not gonna leave that in there. Replay. Sam, stop eating my foot cream. Oh shoot, this outro. Oh, we're hit. Oh, what's up, guys? We made it to the end of the video.
Don't you dare click away.
This is my first time watching him. He funny as hell. I fuck with him.
No, don't leave.
I like this video.
That's the end of the video. You guys enjoyed it, obviously, because you're still here. Want to give a big shout out to the Surf Squad members of the day. Thank you guys for watching the videos. If you want to be the next Surf Squad member,
I'm gonna subscribe to him. I fuck with his
follow
video.
Noho and I on Instagram. Post a picture using the hashtag Surf Squad.
I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's
As
it.
far as the channel goes, all I have to say is that get ready because we have some absolute bangers coming. As if this one wasn't already a banger. We got
Okay then, real shit, grinding, yeah.
Peace out.
Yeah, I fuck with him though. Oh wait, he got bloopers.
Is there a problem? And all this limp. Oh, that was good. All right, good action.
Hey, bloopers be fun. Bloopers really be funny as hell. Though. Real life funny as
Here we
hell.
go. Gotcha. Right there being the.
Damn, man, you look good. Oh, thank you. No? Okay. That's fine.
Ah,
No, but it was like funny. Holy shit, that was funny.
all right, y'all. That was my reaction to type of aux cord users part 2. If y'all fan part 1, send it to me so I can react to it. I'm definitely gonna react to it because I fuck with this video. Send me some more videos to react to, or y'all can drop them down in the comments. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I'm out. Free that boy Dilly. Slang when we call him Dilly, real nigga. That's a Billy, always in the cut. He gon' pull up like, what's the dilly? Niggas tough, Tony on the net, but a pussy really. I just fucked your bitch and your hoe, got you looking silly.
Look, I know you just wanna fuck me for the fame. Wanna fuck me cause I'm diamonds on my chain. Girl, don't you, yeah, oh.